Hello again, everybody, and here is the answer to the third math problem up on the math calculator section of my website's short diagnostic SAT test. Let's take a look at this one. All right. This one says, the chart below shows data about the number of employees at Coca-Cola, a popular beverage company. Never heard of it. Let's take a look at the chart. We just want to make sure we sort of understand what's going on here. We've got total employees. Mark this up. We've got total employees, and we got male and female, percent male, percent female. I've got 3 years, 2012, 2013, 2014. I've got the total number of employees each year, and I've got each year broken down into how many of those employees by percentage were male and how many by percentage were female. So that's what I've got. Pretty easy chart to understand, right? What does it say next? Assuming the employee total grows at the same rate each year. Grows at the same rate each year. I don't know what that means yet, but I'm just sort of trying to wrap my head around it. And male and female percentages continue to decrease and increase by 5%. Well, did they? Yes, males went from 65 to 60 to 55. That's going down by 5%. And percent females went up by 5% each year, 35 to 40 to 45. So it says that trend is going to continue. Now, here's what it's asking. Approximately how many male employees? We better keep that in mind. We don't want to get confused. Throw in a female answer there. Believe me, they got a trap answer for females there. We got to be careful of those trap answers. How many male employees will work at Coca-Cola in 2015? Well, lo and behold, look at that. We got a new year. And I'm writing that right there, 2015. All right. Now, where do we begin? What's our out of the gate move? Well, we got to write something down, even if we don't know where we're going. And this is what I'm thinking. It says, let's go back to the beginning where it says, assume the employee total grows at the same rate each year. At the same rate. Well, to tell you the truth, I'm a little confused. Does that mean by the same number of people or by the same percentage? So I've got to look at both because it's going to have been equal. And what I can see from here, and I'm going to use my calculator, 1890, that's the 2013 total, minus 1670, that's a 220 person increase. In 2014, it was 2110. And if I subtract the 2013 1890, I get 220. So that must mean by total number of people because it's been going up by 220 each year. Maybe you saw that right away. I didn't know if it was a percentage increase that was the same. It was a little confusing to me, but I'm convinced now they mean the same number of people. That means in 2015, what are we going to do? We're going to add 220 to 2110. I can do that in my head, but I had the calculator right there, so I used it. Why not? So the total number of people I have in 2015 is 2,330. Now, that's going to be the key to the whole thing. That's the key to the whole thing because what percentage of males am I going to have? And I'm only concerned with the males right here. It says how many male employees. And it says it keeps decreasing by 5%. So that means in 2015, I've only got 50% males. So what's 50% of 2330? Well, 50% is the same as a half, which is the same as dividing by 2 or the same as multiplying by 0.5, right? Got all that, right? You got to know that. Got to know those basics. And that's 1165. That's how many males there would be in 2015. Again, I'm always so scared that is that answer down there? Because if it's not, then I didn't make any sense. But it is. It's there in D. And D is the right answer. That's it. I hope that clears things up. All right. You know, as always, I say this at the end of most of these videos. If you didn't, contact me. There's about 37 different ways to contact me. And so please do. I'd love to help you if you're still confused. Enjoy your day.